Welcome back. There have been a number of hit-and-run accidents happening in Middle Tennessee. Griffith Law Injury Lawyers are ready to be in your corner. John Griffith actually went into law with the sole purpose of helping people in tough situations. In fact, he wrote the book, 10 Worst Mistakes You Can Make with Your Tennessee Injury Case. That book's free to you, by the way. But we got founder and head attorney of Griffith Law Injury Lawyers. We've got John Griffith here. Welcome back.
Hello, it's good to see you again.
Great to see you.
You make me feel so comfortable.
Oh, well, listen, we're so happy you're here. You always give us great information.
Yeah.
These hit and runs, truly, we are hearing more and more about them. Talk about what we would do if we're ever in that situation.
You know, it depends. Are you in a car, are you in a pedestrian, or are you on a bicycle? But any of your uninsured motorist coverage covers that. So the first thing you can do right now is to get high amounts of uninsured motorist coverage. I don't want you to answer this, but if I were to ask you how much uninsured motorist coverage do you have, 9 out of 10 people can't tell me. So that's the first thing you got to do. And if you are involved in a hit and run, for example, or someone who doesn't have insurance, you just need to turn in the claim, make sure you get pictures. You need a police officer. If there are any witnesses, any video cameras around, you need to make sure you follow up with that.
So that's one of the first things you do. If you find yourself in that situation, document it as much as you can.
Yeah. Yes, that's correct.
You mentioned that insurance coverage. That means you're looking at your policy, right? You're going to ask either your agent or look at your policy on what you have.
Yes. Most people don't know, and they think they've got full coverage, and I don't know what that means exactly other than collision coverage. But you need to have, when you have uninsured motorist coverage, it's like a cloud or a tent that follows you wherever you go. If you're riding in someone else's car and they don't have enough insurance, a lot of times people have insurance, but they don't have enough insurance. If you're hit and you break your hip and you can't work, your emergency room bills might be $50,000 and somebody's got full coverage might only have 25. You can protect yourself by having high amounts, at least 250 per person of that. So it's kind of boring, but a lot of people don't know this until after they've been involved in a wreck, and it's too late to get it then.
And these are some of the mistakes that actually made you get into the business to begin with.
Yes.
Give a little bit of your backstory.
I was a claims adjuster for Progressive Insurance, and I tell people that, you know, I quit doing that job because I thought I was going to hell for taking advantage of people. I don't mean that literally, but it taught me that there are conflicts of interest. If I have, as an adjuster, if somebody called and they had an uninsured motorist claim, I know they don't know that I'm going to use that information against them because even though it's your company, they're going to do everything they can to not pay you.
Yeah, you saw that sort of dark side of the business.
Yes.
And went to the light here with,
Yeah.
with the
I'm not knocking my defense attorney guys, but it's just a job that I couldn't do. I love my job. I love helping people, and I love sharing knowledge and giving away free information. I don't want people to be in a terrible position because of something that's not their fault.
And that's why you put this book together, which you guys can get. It's the 10 worst mistakes that you can do if you're in these type of situations. You really map it out. It's free from the website. You can go to Griffith Law Injury Lawyers. Go to griffith.com or call the number on your screen, 615-807-7900, 615-807-7900 is where you can go. I keep bringing up the books. I feel like this is something everyone should have, and certainly for your new drivers in the house. As we have those teens that are getting behind the wheel, they need to look through books like this so they know the other side of things.
That's right. I want to give everybody some information regardless of whether we can help them or not. And so this is a way that people can get their cases settled without a lawyer. Imagine that.
Truly, John Griffith, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We love that you're available if we need you. We'll be back after the break. This is Today in Nashville.